Bored of basic stickers? Imagine turning your favorite photo into fun stickers. Let's create magic on WhatsApp, quick and easy. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone and go to any chat where you would like to use a custom stickers. In the message bar, look for the small icon on the left side and tap it. Next, just beside the magnifying glass, you will see 4 icons. Select the last one, which is the sticker option. At the top of the sticker menu, you will find the option to create your own sticker. Tap on it. Choose any picture from a gallery that you would like to turn into a sticker. WhatsApp allows you to edit your picture creatively. Crop, rotate or use tool to enhance your sticker. You could also add text or emoji to make it more fun and unique. Once your custom sticker is ready, hit the send button at the bottom right corner to share it with your friends. Let your creativity shine. So this is how to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.